For anyone who makes money with affiliate marketing, I keep seeing the same questions in a lot of the groups that I'm in. What are the most profitable products to promote? Which is a bit of a tongue twister. This video is going to tell you 8 of the most profitable products to promote in 2020. In 2019, I kickstarted my digital marketing venture. I created a blog, I created a YouTube channel, and I've now created a Facebook group. I'm kind of gone all in. It started as a side hustle, a way that I could create an additional income stream in order to fund amazing experiences and adventures for my family. It's moved on, it's more than that now. It's a passion, an obsession. It's something that I'm using to unlock a creative side of me as well, and a great way of helping people. That's what I do in my 9-to-5 job. So I work in IT, I'm a computer geek. I fix computers, I help people with their problems, I work in a support capacity. And that's kind of what I'm trying to do with this channel. I'm trying to pass on the things that I learn, I'm trying to pass on so that it helps other people as well. So if you want to learn more about digital marketing and you're on your own little venture too, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. But this video is about 8 of the most profitable products to promote. So short disclaimer, I'm not telling you any of these products as a money-making opportunity. I'm telling you that if you use and find ways that these products can help people as they can help yourself, then it's a great way of making additional money as an affiliate marketer. So just to jump straight into the first one, I'll explain what I mean. ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a landing page sales funnel builder. So like a website on steroids that's a bit more streamlined to convert traffic into leads and leads into paying customers. So there's various different landing page builders that you can get. ClickFunnels is the one I use, and that's the key. I'm not telling you to go out there, apply as an affiliate with ClickFunnels and promote ClickFunnels without knowing anything about it. Do your affiliate marketing ethically and with the right kind of conscience around it as well. I use ClickFunnels, so I promote ClickFunnels because I've paid for the training. I pay every month for the software. I use it for various things in my own affiliate marketing kind of business. So I've got landing pages, membership areas, various different sales funnels. So that's why I promote ClickFunnels. I've also took part in some of the training that Russell creates. So the owner of ClickFunnels, if you don't know, is Russell Brunson. Russell Brunson's a massive entrepreneur, the owner of ClickFunnels, and a bit of a genius when it comes to explaining sales and marketing to people like me, people that fix computers for a living, that don't have that sales and marketing experience. In fact, it is the most alien thing to me. But when you read one of his books, go on one of his courses, watch his videos. He has a great way of explaining things that makes you feel like you too can do it. If you want to pick up one of his books, I'll put a link in the description, but the 2 I would recommend are Expert Secrets and .com Secrets. Excellent books, potentially life-changing. ClickFunnels itself, if you're an affiliate for ClickFunnels, there's various different ways you can promote it. In fact, they give out some free training where they took 15 of their top affiliates and they asked them, if you had to start your affiliate marketing venture again from scratch, how would you do it? And you got 15 experts that they've got big businesses promoting ClickFunnels. They all come back with videos and exactly their step-by-step plan of how they would create their business again. So if you want that free training, I'll put the link in the description below for that as well too. Excellent. If you're into affiliate marketing, doesn't matter what product you promote, I would recommend you go through that training. It's free. All they do is every day they'll send you a video with a couple of different people on there, these big influencers, these big super affiliates, and they just go through and explain exactly. They all have a different approach, they all come at it from a different angle, but there's a few on there that are absolute gold. So you're not paying for it. So if you're definitely interested in taking your affiliate marketing skills up a notch, watch the videos, take notes, absorb what these people are telling you, because that's what they would do if they started again. So they're cutting out all their mistakes and telling you what works. The reason why so many people like to promote ClickFunnels is because it's high ticket. Potentially, you could sell a 6-month, 12-month subscription to ClickFunnels, and that's quite a lot of money in your pocket. It's also recurring revenue. If someone signs up for a monthly subscription for ClickFunnels, for as long as they're using it, if they sign up through your link, you're going to get 30 to 40%. Depends on, they've changed the system a little bit now, so there's different tiers for affiliates. But if you come in as a brand new affiliate, then you're going to get 30%, which is a decent amount because it's not cheap every month. But it ticks the boxes for what I want. I want a high quality product with either recurring revenue or high ticket. ClickFunnels is great for both of them. Number 2 is Kartra. Kartra pays 40% recurring commission. a really good percentage. When you consider that if you're an Amazon affiliate, you might be getting 1%, 2% of small ticket items, a monthly recurring revenue of 40% is really good. Kartra is an alternative to ClickFunnels. Again, I've seen a lot of people talking about Kartra. I've seen a lot of mention of how good it is. Personally, I've not tested it yet, so I'm not telling you to go and sign up for Kartra because it's a great product. I have heard good things about it, but I don't use it. I use ClickFunnels at the moment. Something I will look at further down the line, something I'll test, maybe create some videos around. But yeah, at the moment I don't use Kartra, but I've heard good things about it. But I think with ClickFunnels, you're not paying just for the software. You get enticed into this whole cult and community as well. Which, if you've done any of the training or looked at the products or you know anything about Russell Brunson, you'll completely understand. Sometimes I see people that kind of think like they've got this software, yet they're not sure why they've got this software. They just kind of got absorbed into Russell Brunson's world, which just shows how good he is as a marketer, really. But yeah, Kartra is a great alternative, pays 40%. So one way you could promote that, I don't know, look at a business, look at a niche, let's say dentists. Let's look at dentists, dental surgeries, show how they could use Kartra, and then create 1,000 videos on how Kartra is the best product for dentists, how it will generate more leads, convert more customers, make their lives easier. That's just one way of promoting it. Web hosting, such as Bluehost or SiteGround. Web hosting pays okay. It's not high ticket, it's not recurring, but it's a decent commission. It's better than you'll get with Amazon. So, for example, if you put enough people through Bluehost, they'll probably pay you about $100, $125, which is not to be sniffed at. And it's something that a lot of people will want and need. The amount of people that want to start a blog in different niches as well. If you look at your successful mom bloggers, then a lot of them will use hosting as their primary way of making money. They will create their own courses further down the line, but initially, the money's there because they've created a successful blog. So then they will turn around to all the other moms in the world and they'll say, this is how you get started with blogging. This is how you can spend more time at home with your children. This is how you can quit your job now that your life has changed and your focus is on family. All things that we've gone through, myself and my wife, as we started our family. But that's the angle and the pitch that they have. So they'll promote Bluehost and they'll get $120. Plus, they're also then getting these people on their email list. So when they create their own products further down the line, they're retargeting an audience that knows, likes, and trusts them. Legendary Marketer. Now, Legendary Marketer, I've gone through a couple of their products. I've never paid for the big end stuff, so I don't want to sit here and say it's the best investment you'll ever have. I've gone through the initial business builder challenge and some of the lower end stuff, and I found it quite professional, quite well put together. But this isn't a review of Legendary Marketer. So I've included it in this list because I know a lot of people that are making significant amounts of money promoting Legendary Marketer. It's very high ticket. It has an extremely generous commission scheme, but they also charge quite a high price. So when they sell something for a lot of money and you're getting a good percentage of that, you're also getting a lot of money. But like I say, it's not a money-making opportunity. It's a training platform for creating an online business. So I know a lot of people that I trust that do very well with it. Like I say, I've only gone through their smaller products like the Online Business Builder Challenge, that kind of thing, which I'll put a link to the review in the description of this video. But a lot of people are treating it as a very good high ticket offer. SEMRush is a digital marketing super tool. So it's got tons of information and analytics in there. It's got tons of ways that you can grow your website, whether it's through paid traffic or search engine optimization. It's got tons of ways that you can adapt your strategies in order to grow your websites and blogs. It pays 40% commission to its affiliates. So again, a very generous recurring revenue affiliate scheme. Next up, I'm going to give you 2 learning management systems. What's a learning management system? Exactly like it says. It's almost like a website that's been designed for creating courses. So it's been designed so that you can put content in there and they take care of the rest of it. So they do all the design aspects. You kind of fine tune a few different areas. You'll brand something to how you want it to be, but you add your content. So whether that's written content, videos, and they add all the extras in to make it a website that's purely about going and learning on. It's for courses, hosting courses and teaching and training. So it's a very specific functionality, but it's a very, very good tool. So if you're at the point where you want to create your own courses and build up your audience by giving these courses away or selling these courses or whatever it is that you want to do. There's a couple of different LMS systems that you can promote. So the two main ones that I see people promoting are Teachable and Thinkific. Teachable, I think, pays slightly higher commission, and again, it's recurring revenue. If you get someone to sign up for Teachable, you're going to get, I think, 30% of whatever they pay each month recurring. But again, create content that shows how people can use Teachable. Create content that shows how to use it, how it will work for their business, the pros, the cons, the different ways that Teachable can solve their problems. Thrive themes. So Thrive is basically a WordPress theme. It's more than a theme, really. It's a series of plugins, a theme, almost like a framework, really. It sits on top of WordPress. So we talked before about ClickFunnels and Kartra. Well, Thrive is like a WordPress equivalent. You install the theme, set it up, but it has various different components that you can put on top that are more related to marketing and sales. So it's probably a more specific WordPress theme than you're going to get. That's designed basically to capture leads and has various different ways of doing that. So whether that's like scarcity timers, pop-ups, split testing, various different things. I've only ever tested it for a couple of weeks. So I'm not saying go out and buy it, but Thrive Themes, I believe, pay 25% to their affiliates. So if you're promoting an alternative, a WordPress alternative to maybe like landing page builders, then it's a good opportunity. And finally, the last one I'm going to include is my core products that I promote, and that's Secret Affiliate Marketing Hacks. It's an affiliate marketing training course. It's probably a bit more than that, to be honest. It's about how to create a business that generates income from social platforms. It's a course by Zach Crawford, who is an extremely knowledgeable guy. He's a super affiliate. He's been there, done it, got the t-shirt, and he's creating his own products now. So it's a course that has been pivotal in my own journey, in my own venture. It's something that he's a guy that I speak to quite a lot. He gives me a lot of feedback, a lot of advice. He's one of these rare course creators that actually cares, that actually wants you to succeed. So he doesn't just sell you a course and move on. He's there to support you and to take you, to kind of guide you on that journey as well. So I'm including that on here because it is a good product to promote, but that isn't the reason to buy it. Don't buy anything. I've said it all the way through this video. Don't buy something because it pays a decent amount. Buy something because it's good, that it's proven, that it's high quality, something that you would happily recommend to friends and family. And that's why I'm including Zach's course, because I do recommend that to people. It's been a bit of a life changer for me, and that is why I would recommend it to anyone who's looking to create their own online business. But any of them products that I've said before, that there's different ways and angles that you can promote them products, but all of them are either high ticket or recurring revenue and good ways of creating an online business through affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to put some videos above, but equally, this channel is about documenting my own journey. I'm not a guru, I'm not an influencer, I've not created courses, I'm just a normal guy, a dad of two, a husband of one, and this is the journey that I'm on as well. I'm trying to share that, I'm trying to show that anyone can do this. I want you to understand that affiliate marketing is accessible for anyone. You pick your platform, it could be Facebook, a blog, YouTube. You pick your niche. Your niche is whatever subject you want to teach people. So you'll learn and develop that relationship and understanding with an audience, but it's about picking a subject, whether it's something close to your heart, something you're passionate about, knowledge about, or something that you want to start from the beginning and document your own journey. You then create content. Create content like there's no tomorrow. Create content that helps people, that solves their pain points, that makes their lives better. Create that content, and as you're doing that, you can monetize all of that using affiliate marketing. So provide value, help people, create content that they want to read, watch, listen to, and whilst you're doing that, promote products that you truly believe in. So they're just a few suggestions of products. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, then stay tuned to the next video and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I hope that was of some use to you. Thank you.